I don't like this anymore. I feel so bad for what I'm doing. You say, Mommy, Fred is suffering too much. He doesn't deserve all that suffering. Please, I just feel like I'm lying to someone who loves me. And someone who truly loves me at that.
Elishaba, I think you don't understand what we are doing.
Then make me understand.
Just what happens to every girl who gets pregnant for a guy who is not stable. If I tell him or we tell him to stop right now, he won't listen. So we have to take him through the process. He must feel it. He must really understand how life works.
Please, this is not enough.
Love you. First, my own child. I gave birth to him. Never get him. Whatever I'm doing, it breaks my heart. So I'm doing all this to save him, not to destroy him. I repeat, do this. And he passes. I'll bless you both. I love you, mother.
But no. I'm taught wrong. No. All my thoughts are wrong. My heart is broken.
Son, you look stressed. Why are you going by this time of the day? Can you tell me what is bothering you? Hmm? I'm your mom.
I'm okay.
Are you sure you're okay? Talk to me. I'm your mom.
Yeah, I'm fine.
I can boldly say that I'm in love with you. And I can boldly tell that I'm in love with you. I love for you, never fail.
Babe, I'm so sorry.
This is not enough. So this is how you intend to treat me, Fred?
What do you mean? You know I'm suffering because of you, right? I'm trying all my best to take care of you.
You are trying. Your best is not enough. Fred, you promised me a life. And all you give me is stress.
Listen, Lily, I'm trying, okay?
I thought you were strong. I didn't know you were just making noise.
So tell me, what do you want me to do now? Why are you talking to me like this?
Because I'm tired. Fred, I'm tired of lying to myself. You don't even have your own life put together. Yes, you wanted to carry mine.
So tell me, now what do you want me to do?
I want you to stop pretending.
Pretending?
Yes.
You think I'm pretending?
Stop pretending you are ready. Stop acting like a man when you are still a boy. Love doesn't change reality. And besides, reality has already defeated you.
Listen, Elishba.
I need a future, not a struggle. Anyways, the doctor said I should be eating fruit. But all I eat is gari, and I'm already tired of it. They also wrote medicines for me to go and buy. They said I'm short of blood. Please, I need money this evening to get them. I can tell that I'm in love with you.
Okay. You go out, you hear from me.
You better do something, Fred. You better act fast before I die.
It's okay, I will.
Never fade. It's never. I love you, and I need you. I love you, and I need you. Yes, I love you. I love you. And I need you. I need you. You are my heart, my everything. Yeah. I love you. And I need you. I need you.
Hello, Fred. Fred, please, I'm very hungry. For the past few days now, I haven't taken any proper food because there is no money. At this point, I'm starving. As a result, Fred. Help. Why is he hanging now? Hey. Really? Hey. So if I were to be pregnant, this is what he would have been doing to me. Starvation, hanging up calls, not even talking to me for days, months.
Hello? Am I speaking to Fred Ajimai? My name is Angelo Boatin. I'm an inspector at Atonsu Police Station. A complaint has been lodged against you concerning a pregnant woman you don't take care of. So we need you here at the station right now. We are giving you 24 hours to report or we come for you. Mommy, please, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Mom, I'm finished. I've tried all my best. I'm suffering, Mom. She said she's pregnant, so I sold all my things. I work like a slave, Mom. And now the police is after me. Mom, please forgive me. Please, I'm so sorry. Please. Elizabeth, please, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for everything. Please forgive me, okay? Okay, find a place in your heart, please, Mom. Tell her.
Mom, please, we are sorry.
Stand up.
Please forgive us.
Both of you stand up. Do it.
What? What's going on, Mom?
There's no
But it was a lie. Your mom and I planned it. And I'm sorry about that. Listen, Fred. When you first left school for me, I felt so important. But later, I started feeling scared. I saw you selling every single thing you have You were always looking stressed. I thought love was going to make us happy. But Fred, I saw you suffer every day. I realized I was also not ready for this life. Especially me depending on somebody who is still struggling. I knew that wasn't love. That was pressure. Now I understand what Mom told me. Love does not feed you. Dreams does not pay bills. Fred, I love you. But I do not want to be the reason you will destroy your own future.
Love is good. The love without pressure is suffering. So go back to school. Build yourself first. Love can wait. Life cannot. It's better to struggle once than to suffer without knowing why. Tomorrow, I'll give you back everything you lost.
Thank you, Mom.
My heart is waiting for you, and I've made up my mind to be there for you. See, you are the one. My heart is waiting for you, and I've made up my mind to be there for you. Because I love you, and I'll always be there for you. I love you, and I'll always be there for you. 'Cause you are the one. My heart is waiting for you, and I've made up my mind to be there for you. Because I love you, and I always